Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest and thorough product reviews. Today, we have an exciting product to talk about: the 2023 new upgrade Wi-Fi extender booster repeater. With promises of extending your Wi-Fi coverage up to 8,000 square feet and supporting 45+ devices, this gadget has certainly piqued our interest. Let's dive in. First, let's take a look at the key features of this Wi-Fi extender. It claims to cover up to 8,000 square feet, which is impressive. Perfect for large homes or offices where Wi-Fi dead zones can be a headache. This extender operates on both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands, offering a combined speed of 1,200 megabits per second. That's great for streaming HD videos and online gaming. It supports two modes: access point mode and repeater mode, making it versatile. Plus, it has a browser-based configuration, accessible from various devices. The Wi-Fi extender is said to work with 99% of routers on the market, which is a big plus. It includes an Ethernet port, allowing you to connect wired devices and maintain stable connections. Now, let's talk about our experience with this Wi-Fi extender. We tested it in a large home, and it did indeed extend the Wi-Fi coverage to previously unreachable areas, eliminating dead zones. With support for up to 45 devices, it handled various smartphones, laptops, tablets, and even smart home devices with ease. Connecting it via Ethernet to the router provided a noticeable boost in speed and stability, which is a great feature for gamers and those who rely on a fast and reliable connection. Security is always a concern when it comes to extending your network. This Wi-Fi extender supports WEP and WPA2 wireless security protocols, helping to keep your network safe from unwanted access. Now, before we wrap up, let's address a few customer reviews. It's important to note that some users reported issues with this extender. Some experienced disconnections, while others didn't see a significant improvement in their signal strength. Keep in mind that individual experiences may vary based on your specific setup. In conclusion, the 2023 new upgrade Wi-Fi extender booster repeater has the potential to be a valuable addition to your network if you have a large space and Wi-Fi dead zones. However, it's essential to understand your specific requirements and the compatibility of your existing network setup. That wraps up today's product critique review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. If you've used this Wi-Fi extender or have any questions, please share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Product Critique.